he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I have a really cool suction cup mount that is for your cell phone. I'm just going to show you that video that I did as a YouTube short to get a better idea of it. So let's go check that out. Check this thing out. This thing is amazing. High quality. It is, you're going to love the name, Universal Ballhead Basic Sucker Arm for a phone, for a cell phone. This thing is amazing. Look at the quality of this. This is just made so strong and so professional. And this that sucks on to the device, which is a refrigerator. We're using this as an example. So you see there's a little on here and then off here. So this is off. So I'm going to stick this like this. Watch this. This is insane. Stick it like that. And then you twist. And now this is super strong. Look at this thing. So you loosen this nut here, and now you have full motion. Spin it any way you like, right? Set it up, tighten it. It ain't going anywhere. Then you have this ball mount here. See this little screw here? Now, there's an area here that's got a notch. So if you wanted to lower it down further, you can like this and go down if you wanted to. But this is like high quality. And then you leave it like that. And then there's two little knobs here. You squeeze them to actually get your phone in. So for argument's sake, if we use an iPhone that's monitoring my solar, and there you go. So now we can record, and it's like super strong. It ain't going anywhere. This is a really good product. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is absolutely a must-have device. It is incredible. I can't believe how strong it is. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of lights and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. Joe Tech's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. Joe Tech's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. Joe Tech Tips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.